Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you a product reveal with the 4x11 clear stamp set. Each stamp measures approximately 2 5/8 of an inch wide by 1 7/8 of an inch high. The set includes 8 designs total. I'm going to stamp these out real quick onto white cardstock for you. You're going to get a buffalo plaid, a white polka dot on a solid background, straight stripes, wavy stripes, random stars, flowers, random polka dots, and a chevron design. Several different techniques come to mind when I look at this set. Creating your own backgrounds with this is going to be great. Also, adding some fun designs to your die cut shapes and your die cut words are going to be perfect with this set. Now here you can see slimline card. All I did was stamp those designs on an angle and then added a sentiment. This one here, I stamped the designs in different color inks, trimmed them down to size, stamped a sentiment from that such and such stamp set, and added it to the card for a quick and simple card. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. It's linked directly below. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.